So today I am coming up with 3 new gadgets in the dashboards. So the next one is, let's explore days remaining in sprint gadget. What is this? As you all know, I'll just show you. I'll go to the project. In the ecom project, we created the sprint, active sprints. So this sprint one is still running. 7 days are left. We started on 31st January and is 15th February. So what we can see is, in this dashboard we can just go to the EA board, show board name, show sprint, and I will see the ecom sprint one. So this is a ready reckoner for the project manager or the scrum master to see that okay, this is my sprint, active sprint or open sprint, which is running and 7 days are remaining in the sprint. So daily morning he can come and check that okay, oh, these many days are remaining, I have to act quick, I have to act fast. So this is the gadget for days remaining in sprint sprint board. Next one is the assign to me. So what is assigned to me? Assigned to me is, say suppose here only one user story, EA5, it is assigned to me. So what will happen is, I'll just go to number of results 10. These are the columns which will display. Add columns to display. If any other column I want to add, I can put it here, but these 4 are enough. I'll just click on save. See, only EA5 will come because it is the only story which is assigned to me. What I'll do is, I'll just go to the backlog. Say suppose this is a EA6 bug. This also I will assign to me. EA13. This also I will assign to me. Now if I refresh it, see, total 3 issue types are assigned to me now: EA5, EA6, EA13. Next thing is, let's show filter results. I have already shown. Heat map I have already shown. There is Jira issues calendar. What is Jira issues calendar? So I'll just go to my same old filter, ecom stories in QA. What I'll do is, date to display is created date. Now I'll do is save. So here what I can see is, as you know, there are 14 user stories which are created, or 14 stories are there in that filter, ecom stories in QA filter. So here I can just see that in that 14, 2 user stories were created on 29 January, 11 were created on 31st of January, and 1 was created on 4th of February. So this is the benefit for issue calendar. Now I will just show you that why this, as I already told, why this remaining sprint days is beneficial for a scrum master or a project manager. This is also beneficial for each and every person working in the sprint. They can refer this in the daily scrum meeting as well. Next one is assign to me. So assign to me, I have already told what is assigned to me. It is all the story types or bug type or task, anything which are assigned to me. So I can daily come in the morning and I can quickly check what are the tasks or what are the stories or what are the bugs assigned to me. So if any manager has assigned to me a new thing or not, or if any developer has assigned to me a new thing or not, I can quickly come here and check, and I can also check the status. How I can check the status? I'll just go to configure. Here I want the status. So status will also come as a column to display. See here. So these are the three issue types assigned to me with the status. So there is one is a story which is assigned to me. I have to test the header. The status is in progress. This is a bug I am working on. It is in progress. So this can be for developer, this can be for a tester, this can be for product manager, this can be for project manager. Anything can be there for the Jira dashboard or Jira. This whole Jira can be seen for anything. So if I am a QA, this test the header user story can be for me. If I am a developer, this bug I am working on, dev in progress is there, so I am working on this. This is to do. This can be with the product. This can be with the developer as well. So easily I can come and see that what is assigned to me. Me means the current user of the system. The third thing is calendar. Calendar I can go and see is that okay, how many issues I created when. So suppose there are bugs in the system, I just want to see, or the management just want to see with this calendar that okay, these many issues are created in January, these many created in February. So I can see the defect density. Defect density means like on what days how many issues are created. So why on one particular day 50 issues are created? What was the problem on that day? Which release went? Why suddenly these many issues? So this is the benefit for the issues calendar in QA. Hope these three new gadgets helped you guys. Please, if you are enjoying my videos, like and subscribe it. Thank you.